Welcome back. In this video, I wanted to go over elastic IP addresses. Let's start off with the private IP address. Now, we have seen these addresses before and have even used them in previous labs. These IP addresses are used for internal communication between instances or other resources within our VPC, and they can exist in either public or private subnets. Every instance that you deploy in your VPC will automatically get one of these IP addresses. Now, we also have public IP addresses, which are used in public subnets. This type of IP address will be lost once the instance is stopped or terminated. So basically, you get these types of IP addresses when your instances are running, but they can change. We also don't have the freedom of transferring these IP addresses to other instances. Finally, we have the elastic IP address, which is a static public IP address. This means the IP address doesn't change. We also have the freedom of allocating or transferring this type of IP address to other resources in our AWS environment. These are also free, but only while they're being used, meaning if the IP address is associated to an instance that is in the running state and only has one elastic IP address allocated to it, then it will be free. Otherwise, we will be charged by the hour for this type of IP address. I hope in this video you learned a little more about elastic IP addresses. I'll see you in the next video.